Must be that time of year again.
It's too early for shofar. Or is it? Now that I think of it, we get to hear the shofar on every single day of the Hebrew month of Elul, which leads up to the Jewish New Year, Rosh Hashanah, and the high holidays. It's sort of like a spiritual alarm clock, a chance for us to wake up and reflect on our lives and our past years. And if you would like to start the year on a really high note, you can join us in a special mitzvah all month long. We are collecting donations for Cradles to Crayons and the Ark. There's more information on the website, along with a whole bunch of amazing Elul programs I hope you'll join us for. Happy Elul.